How to fix Facebook search not working on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. To do that, launch any of the app that runs on internet other than Facebook, and you can check if app works or not. Likewise, what you can do is launch your settings. Go ahead and open this option Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on the option of forget this network and rejoin it. Also give fresh restart to your router. Also, you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your Facebook app. Now head towards the menu page. Now at the top right corner, you will find this settings icon, click on it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down, under preferences, you will find the option of browser, open it. Now you will see the option of cookies and cache. Click on this option of clear. Click on clear. Now you can close this, launch your app store. Search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards very last solution, launch your settings. Scroll down, open this option General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now in this page you will be able to find different apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Facebook. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Facebook search not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.